Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, we take 5 raised to power 4 to the left hand side. And this becomes x minus 3, 4 raised to power 4 minus 5 raised to power 4 equals to 0 on this side. The next step, we can write this as x minus 3 or raised to power 2. Then all raised to power 2 again. As 2 times 2 again was 4. Then minus. Also here we have 5 raised to power 2. Then all raised to power 2. Then equals to 0 here. Then here, this follows when we have a square minus b square, which is same thing as a plus b into brackets and also open bracket a minus b. That is, this here we have a standing as x minus 3 all square and also b same thing as 5 square. Then what we have here becomes x minus 3 whole square plus 5 square into brackets and also open brackets x minus 3 whole square minus 5 square close brackets then equals to 0 here. This here we have two possible cases. The first one, x minus 3 whole square plus 5 square equals to 0, or we have x minus 3 whole square minus 5 squared equals to 0 here. Then when we solve from the first case here, we can expand this and we have the expansion here follows when we have a minus b all square, which is same thing as a square plus b square minus 2ab. This here we can say we have x square plus 3 square minus 2 times 3 times x. Then we have plus 5 square here, that's 25, which is equals to 0 here. That is same thing as x squared plus 3 squared, that's 9, then minus here give us 6x, then plus 25 equals to 0. And we can rearrange here and we have x squared minus 6x, then we have 25 plus 9, that gives us plus 34 equals to 0 here. That is, here we have a quadratic equation where a equals to 1, b equals to minus 6, and c equals to 34. And applying the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Then here, this becomes x equals to minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 34, then all over 2 times 1. This here we have x equals to minus times minus as plus, and we have 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared, that's 36, and minus 4 times 1 times 34. You have 136, then over 2 here. And this becomes x equals to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 136, that's minus 100, then over 2. And here, roots minus 100 can be expressed as root 100 times minus 1. And when we separate this, same thing as root 100 times root minus 1. And root 100 is 10. And root minus 1 is I. So it implies here we can say we have x equals to 6 plus or minus. This is 10i now. 10 all over 2. That is here. 2 is common up, and we say we have x equals to 2 into brackets. Here becomes 3, then plus or minus 5i, then all over 2. And here 2 cancel each other. That is this becomes x equals to 3 plus or minus 5i. Here now we have two complex solutions here. Then, also solving from the second case here, we can apply when we have a square minus b square, which is same thing as a plus b into brackets, then open bracket, a minus b. That is here, a is standing as x minus 3, and b standing as 5. Then what we have here, follow this and becomes x minus 3 plus 5 into brackets, and also open brackets, x minus 3 minus 5 close bracket, then equals to 0 here. That is this here we have x plus 2 left here into bracket, and also open bracket, we have x minus 8 here close bracket equals to 0 here. Then, which implies we have two possible cases here. The first one we have x plus 2 equals to 0, or we have x minus 8 equals to 0. That is, solving here, this gives us x equals to minus 2, which is a real solution here. And also here we have x equals to 8, also a real solution here. That is, we have two real solutions now. And altogether now, it implies we have 4 solutions. That is two real solutions here and two complex solutions here. When we write this out, you can say that the first solution x1 is equals to 8, and second solution x2 we have minus 2, then x3 on the complex we have 3 plus 5i, then x4 also on the complex we have 3 minus 5i. So here we have this as the 4 solutions to this given problem. Then of course, here we can check here by substituting the value of x into the given equation now. For x equals to 8, what we have simply becomes 8 minus 3 all raised to power 4 is it equals to 5 raised to power 4. Of course, 8 minus 3 here, that's of course 5, which is raised to power 4 equals to 5 raised to power 4. We have left hand side equals to the right hand side. And of course, it here satisfies the given problem. Excuse me. And also here, for minus 2, when we substitute as well, here this becomes minus 2 minus 3 all raised to power 4 is equals to 5 raised to power 4. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 all raised to power 4 equals to 5 is equals to 5 raised to power 4. Then, of course, this minus is raised to power 4. Whenever negative is raised to power even number, that will be positive. So this becomes positive, then 5 raised to power 4, then is equals to 5 raised to power 4. Without putting plus there, it's same thing as 5 raised to power 4. It's same thing as 5 raised to power 4 here. And we have left hand side equals to the right hand side. That is, x equals to minus 2 satisfy this given problem. And when we substitute these two complex solutions as well, it will satisfy the given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos, turn the notification bell on, share this video with some and put your comment. And see you in next class. Bye for now.